Assalamualikum. Welcome everyone from our YouTube channel. Today we will try to tell about health benefits of olive oil. Benefits of olive oil. Olive oil is a type of oil extracted from the fruit of the olive tree, which is native to the Mediterranean region. It is widely used in cooking and is known for its numerous health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of olive oil. Heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants, which help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory. Olive oil contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Skin health. Olive oil is a natural moisturizer that can help keep your skin healthy and hydrated. It contains antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Digestive health. Olive oil can help improve digestive health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. Cancer prevention. Olive oil contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds can help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast cancer and colon cancer. Weight management. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can help you feel full and satisfied. It can also help increase your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories and lose weight. Overall, olive oil is a healthy and versatile oil that can be used in a variety of ways to improve your health and well-being. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Everyone will be fine. Assalamualaikum. Well